This demo is about how to use MACg to draft a scientific paper. Our topic is the role of artificial intelligence in personalized medicine. So we'll start by defining the scope and creating an outline as well as key questions. And we'll ask MACg to help us with that. I'm actually going to switch to O3 Mini because I find it to be more detailed in scientific writing, as well as tasks that require multiple steps. The next thing is we are going to turn on the PubMed toggle so that MACg can use PubMed as a knowledge source to find us resources for our paper. Alright, so we have our 15 papers. We can review them, read each of the summaries to see if they're relevant to what we want to write. We can look at the complete citations. We can click on any of these hyperlinks and it'll take us to the exact PubMed record. Or we can ask MACg to find additional ones as well. And we can also be specific on which one of these we wanted to use in our paper. But for this demonstration, we'll just have let MACg decide what it wants to do. So now we'll use the key questions and the outline that we generated, as well as the PubMed search results to draft our 2,500 word review paper. All right, so we have our draft. And wouldn't it be nice to maybe have a table summary of the PubMed search results? I think that would be very good for our readers. And let's see if MACg can help us with that. Perfect. Well, what about some visual charts? Is there some way to capture some interesting points from the different publications in a chart? Let's see if MACg can help us with that. Then finally, because we're using the latest image generator from OpenAI, we can actually create some beautiful graphics to enhance the visuals in our paper. Image generation usually takes the longest. In the meantime, we can look through what's been generated already. Right, and here we are. We have a chronological journey of AI and personalized medicine. All right, so the next step is, now we have a couple ways we could do this. We could ask MACg to compile all the previous outputs into one complete document. Or we can simply click Create Document to transfer this information to the full editor. And we can edit any of these areas. We can add, remove, cut, paste, move things around. And actually, if we move a citation around, it would automatically be corrected in the bibliography as well. But that will be the subject of a future video. So we still have some elements to add to this. So we have our table. We can simply copy that table and put it wherever we want to put it. Maybe we could put it here in the beginning, maybe. And we can edit this table as well. And inside the table, we can make it bigger. We can make it smaller as well. We can add titles to it also. And then we have our nice bar chart that we can also add to any section that we want. Well, maybe we'll put it here. This might be a nice addition to this section. And then finally, we have our beautiful infographic, which maybe we can just put it here. There we go. So now we have our draft paper that gives us a nice structure of what we want to talk about with very good information in here as well. So next step is to review this against the references that were used, which means you may have to pull those references, either read the abstracts or use the full publication to make sure that everything here is accurate. Add some more information if you need to. You can also ask MACg to help you. You could upload a PDF into your reference library or directly into this chat and ask it to summarize sections of it or revise sections of this document for you. And you can always just copy and paste or add to document. And so with iteration from here, you can have a very complete document that you can now send to your reviewers. And then, of course, let's not forget one very important step, your bibliography. This is a very time-consuming aspect. But with MACg, you have the option of AMA format, APA, or MLA. We'll use AMA for this paper. And all we have to do is click Insert Bibliography. And here it is. It's all in here. Your citations in AMA format. You also have the option of adding additional citations as well, or citing any part of the document just with one click. But we'll show you that in another video. Thank you for your attention. Log on to MACg, sign up for the free trial, and experience some of this for yourself.